Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your company logo to Salesforce in 2025. This isn't just about adding a logo, it's about giving your Salesforce workspace a cohesive brand identity that feels professional and polished. By the end of this video, your Salesforce environment will truly represent your company. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account with your credentials. This ensures you have the right permissions to upload and manage your branding resources. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This area is where all the magic of customization happens. Next, use the Quick Find box and type Themes and Branding. Clicking on this option will open the main hub for managing visual elements in Salesforce. Here, you have two options: create a brand new theme by clicking New Theme, or modify an existing one by selecting Edit next to your chosen design. This flexibility allows you to either start fresh or enhance an existing setup. Now, focus on the brand image section. Click to upload your company logo. Make sure to choose the right file from your computer. PNG, JPG, or GIF formats work best for quality and compatibility. While you're at it, you can also set a loading page logo and a default avatar image, which adds an extra layer of consistent branding throughout your Salesforce environment. Once everything looks perfect, click Save to store your changes, but we're not done yet. Go back to the Themes and Branding list and click Activate next to the theme you just created or edited. This ensures your new logo and customizations are visible to all users. Here's a quick tip for the best results. Aim for a logo size of around 300 by 55 pixels. This ensures your logo appears clear, professional, and perfectly integrated into your Salesforce theme. And that's it. Your company logo is now successfully uploaded and active in Salesforce, giving your workspace a professional, branded look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks.